Tired of restless nights? The Fygrip 3D Cooling Eye Mask is here to revolutionize your sleep with its incredible 100% pressure-free design. Imagine blinking freely, with deep, wide eye pockets that mean absolutely no pressure on your eyelids or lashes. A truly innovative, patented 3D contour. This isn't just any eye mask. Its ergonomic outline and clever heightened soft barrier guarantee a complete 100% light blockout, ensuring total darkness for undisturbed rest. No more waking up from annoying light leaks. Fygrip ensures you stay in blissful darkness throughout the night. But comfort doesn't stop there. Fygrip uses premium cooling fabric and slow rebound memory foam, delivering a refreshingly cool touch that soothes your eyes as you drift off. Whether you're a back, stomach, or side sleeper, the easy adjustable elastic strap ensures a perfect, snug fit every time, thanks to its unique, thinned-edge design. Unlike generic eye covers, the Fygrip offers a truly tailored experience, engineered specifically for superior comfort and effective light blocking. Ready for the best sleep of your life? Find this amazing eye mask for sleep on Amazon now. The direct link is in the description. For anyone serious about improving their sleep quality, this pressure-free, light-blocking, and cooling sleep mask is an absolute must-have investment. Don't miss out on transforming your nights. Click the link below to get your Fygrip 3D Cooling Eye Mask today.